Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use microwave. So right here we have different kind of food in front of the microwave. So this is a microwave, and right here I prepare the steamed rice with barbecue pork. It's one of my favorite food. And the second one, I have the wrap soup. And the last one is an empty glass. I will put the milk. Okay, now so at first we had to get the cover for the food. For the steamed rice with barbecue pork, we already have the elastic cover on the top, so I'm going to get the cover, the wrap for the soup and the milk. So this is the wrap, the elastic wrap. So we cover on the top of the soup, and the small one for the milk. So if you don't want to use the wrap, the classic wrap, you can also use this one. We call it microwave cover, and bought it online, so it's convenient too. Okay, so I'm going to start with the steamed rice and the pork first. So first of all, we have to open the microwave. So right here, so you can see the clicking button right here. So we just push it and the door is open. Okay, so we place the food inside the microwave at the center. Okay, then we close the microwave. So depend on the food. So if you have the more food, so you should have more time to warm up the food. So with the steamed rice and barbecue pork, I will go with 3 minutes. Like 3, 0, 0. After you set the time for the microwave, click start. Okay, now you see the microwave working now. So we will wait until the time is over. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, when it's finished, you will hear that sound. That means you have to open the microwave and take the food out. Okay. All right. So we done the first food. Okay, we place it from the side. All right. So we will do the same for the soup. So with the smaller amount of the soup, so remember you have to close the door first. And then for this one, so you only need 1 minute, 1, 0, 0, and click start. I will do the same thing for the last one with the milk. Again, open the microwave door, place milk inside at the center. Okay, close the door. And with the milk, I will go with 2 minutes. 2 0 0 and click start. So when the microwave working, if you forgot to put something or you want to add the food or you want to take it the food out earlier, so you can right here you can see the stop or clean, so you click that button, so the microwave will stop and you can take the food out to check if it's warm or not. So it's still cold, so I will place the food back, close the door and start again. Okay, thank you for your time to watching this video. Hope you can find the good way to use the microwave at home. You can help your parents with warming food. Have a good day. See you next video. Bye bye.